Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface 1724. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface 1724 won't charge at all, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty charging port, which can wear out over time or get damaged due to frequent use. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further complications, such as battery depletion or even motherboard damage. To perform this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement charging port compatible with the Surface 1724. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Next, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the device's back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid any damage to the casing. Once inside, locate the charging port, which is typically situated near the base of the device. Carefully inspect it for any visible damage. To replace it, you will need to remove several screws that secure the charging port in place. Make sure to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them to install the new port. Gently disconnect any cables connected to the charging port, being cautious not to damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement charging port and align it with the connectors in the device. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Once everything is in place, reconnect any cables you had to disconnect. When you're done, carefully place the back cover back on, ensuring it snaps into place securely. Finally, power on your Surface 1724 and check if the charging issue has been resolved. To prevent this problem from recurring, it's advisable to handle your device with care, avoid pulling on the charging cable, and keep the charging port clean and free of debris. Regularly inspect your charging equipment for wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.